Hello everyone. This is the third video, also the last video of the series 20 minutes about me. In this video, I will share my experience about data science and deep learning. As I have explained that I'm doing this is to let potential collaborators, investors, and recruiters know about me. Again, I think it's important to know a person's value, expertise, and vision before deciding to work together. I haven't talked about the vision, but I believe technology and human being work together could make better society. So I think from last video, I specifically discussed how human being could use knowledge graph and other tools to integrate with technology together. So technology is always the means, not the end. Human being is the end of everything. Okay. The theme of this video is about data science and deep learning. This video is relatively short, as I assume you have some basic knowledge about these topics, so therefore I will just mention some key points. Also, there's no way I could go through everything within 20 minutes unless I'm giving a course. So if you look at the image on the right, data science is usually defined as intersection of mathematics, statistics, domain knowledge, and programming. I will follow this order to show my experience in data science. First, it is about math and statistics. To understand my strengths in this field, I suggest you to check my website where I have published some posts about math and statistics. I have also got a degree in math from University College Dublin with the first class honor. Now, let's move to domain knowledge. From 2011 to 2016, I worked as a financial analyst in an alternative investment company. During this period, I mainly use R programming to do time series analysis and financial modeling. I also use SQL to extract data from the database. And because I worked there for 5 years, so I took some CFA exams, and in the end, I got a CFA chart holder. From 2016 to 2019, I studied in the UK and Germany, gained experience in economic modeling and machine learning. So this gave me a master's degree in econometrics from University of Nottingham and University of Constance. From 2019 to 2021, I worked as a machine learning engineer in an AI company called SenseTime. I mainly work on common machine learning tasks such as classification, regression, and cluster those stuff. So at that time, I gained experience from the industry on development operation and software engineering, as I have to ship some in-house machine learning tools to package and sending them to the clients to use it. From 2021 to 2024, I worked as a research assistant in Goethe University Frankfurt. I mainly work on natural language processing and knowledge graph. I have recorded another video to explain this part. So this image shows my certification of being a CFA chart holder. So you can have a look. Okay, now let's talk about the programming skills. I think the best place to check my programming skills is my GitHub. I have website, I have GitHub. I also record some videos, you can have a look. I put my GitHub link at the end of this video so you can check my code and see if I'm a good fit for your project and your company. Now let's move to programming. Because most of my work are data-driven. For table-like data, I use R, Python, and SQL. With R programming, I'm an expert of data.table package. With Python, I'm expert of pandas and NumPy. With SQL, I mainly use my SQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. And more recently, I really like DuckDB. I think it has a bright future in the SQL database market. So when it comes to the text data or natural language processing task, those are the packages I use most frequently. So I will not go through one by one. For data engineering, I mainly use GAU Make and Docker. So let's move to the next part, statistical modeling. Here I give 3 books that I most frequently use. All those models within this book, I'm very familiar with them. I could even write algorithm to do everything there without using any package. So the first one is the elements of statistical learning. The second one is probabilities machine learning, and the last one is statistical rethinking with Bayesian's perspective. Now let's move to the last part, deep learning. Again, I will only put some tools that I'm familiar with and some books I have studied and practiced. So I will not go through them. Those are just let you know that I could do those things. So, and if you want to know more details, we could have further discussion. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and because I only briefly mentioned some key points, I could refer you to my website and my GitHub for more details. Of course, you can also contact me directly. I'm happy to discuss with you for those collaboration or investment or even working together for you or with you. So thank you.